Namaste. Yesterday we looked at what dolls can teach us. We looked at what tigers can teach us too. Today I'm going to focus on a creature which is feared the most. When I was a part of the team which underwent the tiger census a few years ago, we had to walk in the middle of the forest without any protective equipment. And the instruction was very clear to us. If you see a tiger, don't worry. If you see a leopard, don't worry. If you see a pack of wild dogs, that's all right. But if you see these two creatures, you will have to find a way out quickly. What are these I'm talking about? Yeah, the two creatures are the elephants and the sloth bears. Interestingly, both these creatures, they don't eat human flesh. An elephant is a perfect herbivore. It's 100% vegetarian. A sloth bear is an insectivore. It relies on eating termites and ants. Surprisingly, why should we be fearful of these two creatures who do not even eat human flesh? Let's look at the reasons. But before that, today I'll be focusing on the sloth bear. So let's look at some facts about a sloth bear. A sloth bear can grow as much as 6 feet tall, 3 feet in height at the shoulder. It's a good swimmer. It's a good climber. It has long canines. It has long curved sickle shaped claws which are around 10 centimeters long, with which it can actually tear apart a skull. It can play certain games as well. It can piggyback its young one. A mother can piggyback a young one while it is still young. It can make 25 different sounds. Amazing, isn't it? One single creature making 25 different sounds at different stages of its life and situation. So, why are these facts not threatening? We looked at a tiger, we looked at a pack of wild dogs. What they can accomplish is not matched by what a sloth bear can do. Why is it so? Why are humans so fearful of a sloth bear? It's because of one fact, and the fact is unpredictability. Sloth bears are highly unpredictable. They can attack without any provocation. A tiger, a leopard, or an elephant will give warning signals, either a growl or a charge or some sounds to ensure that you move away from that place. But a sloth bear will never give you any warning. It will just attack you the moment it sees you. It is this unpredictable nature of a sloth bear that we need to be extremely careful of. So in the wild, if at all you encounter a sloth bear, what should you do? My answer is, don't go to a place where there are sloth bears. Funny, but that's the fact of it. So what can we learn from sloth bears? Point number one, it can make 25 different sounds, 25 different occasions. We can learn languages too. This is an amazing phase where we can learn new languages. Two, the unpredictable nature of a sloth bear. What can we learn from that? It can attack without any provocation, which means it is highly proactive rather than reactive. It's very important for us as individuals as well to be proactive in any situation that we are rather than take reactive decisions. Three, the moment a leopard or a tiger is confronted with a bear immediately stands up on its hind limbs, thereby showing its full height. Sometimes when you see a bear standing up on its hind limbs, you can see a Y or a V-shaped whitish mark. Now it stands tall just to tell people that I am bigger than you, so move away from me. It has marks here to just prove that, hey, this is something suspicious, so stay away from me. So what can we learn from this trait? What we can learn is stand your ground even when you're faced with the biggest dangers in life, even when you're faced with people of highest power. Stand your ground to protect your self-respect. These are certain things that sloth bears have taught us, and probably sloth bears have taught us the piggyback game, which our children, when we were kids, we used to piggyback on our mothers, we used to piggyback on our fathers. This was one thing that we were looking forward to. This is something that we learned from a sloth bear. A sloth bear is not a sloth at all, it is extremely active. There are very few numbers in the wild. It's very important that we conserve sloth bears for the future generations to come. Until tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Prevention is better than cure.